In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an archived Google Classroom class. Whether you've accidentally archived a class or simply need to access an old one, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident restoring classes and making them active once again. First, you'll want to head over to Google Classroom and make sure you're signed in using your Google account. This account should be the one you use for managing your classes, as you'll need access to it to make any changes. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the main menu. It's represented by the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the main menu, you'll be presented with a list of options. From this list, scroll down until you see the option labelled Archived Classes. Click on it to proceed to the next step of the process. At this point, you'll be looking at a collection of all the classes you've archived in the past. Here you can view details about them, but what we're interested in today is unarchiving or restoring one of these classes. Now take a moment to find the specific class you wish to recover. It should be listed among your archived classes. Once you've located it, direct your attention to the class card, which displays information about the class. You'll notice there are three vertical dots, also known as the More button, on the class card itself. Click on these dots to reveal further options for the selected class. Upon clicking the three dots, a small menu will appear, giving you the ability to manage the class in different ways. Here, you'll want to select the option labelled Restore. Doing so will initiate the process of bringing the class back to your active classes list. But hang on, there's one more step to ensure everything goes smoothly. After selecting Restore, you'll be prompted with a confirmation message. This is Google Classroom's way of ensuring you really want to unarchive this class. When prompted, click Restore again to finalize the process. And there you have it. The class has been successfully restored to your active classes, ready for you to access and manage just like before it was archived. Restoring classes is a simple process once you know where to look and what to do. This can be particularly helpful at the start of a new semester or whenever you need to revisit a class you previously taught. Being able to access past resources and class materials can be invaluable for continuity and planning. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.